Challenge here. This the 4-page letter challenge, you know what I'm talking about. Matter of fact, turn my music up. Or some more. Yeah. Y'all ready? Let's ride. Kissing on your lips while I'm gripping on your hips. Sitting back wondering how them pussy lips grip. Got me so erect I wanna stick in the tip. Girl, open up your pool, let me take a dip. Swimming deep inside when I'm deep up inside. Chemistry sparks when our bodies do collide. Attraction is there, so no need to hide. Your body with me will never be denied. I can do some things that'll keep you occupied. As I do some things that'll keep you satisfied. I done did some things that got your last man fired. I done did some things got your whole mind wide. I could be the freak that you need in the sheets. I could be the freak that'll leave your knees weak. I could be the nigga that you call when you can't sleep. I could be the nigga that you call when you wanna weak. Lovingly, loving me, lovingly, loving me, loving you, loving who, loving when you touching me. Love it when you got me feeling like I'm in ecstasy. Love it when I'm around you, there's no place that I'd rather be. You know damn well nobody else get it with it. You know damn well I don't even mind spending time. Talking fucking with me cause you know my loving way better. You love it how I'm ripping on the 4-page letter. Yeah, that's the 4-page letter challenge, you dig? World star. All that good shit, you know what I'm talking about? Pure real. Essence and Finesse Entertainment. We on Fuck Wittable, you know what I'm talking about? Like I said, get on this challenge. We out.